Ananya and I have a very special guest with me today who's Ara. You like pizza, Ara?
Yes.
Is pizza your favorite?
I go to the restaurant and I have pizza.
Oh, you go to the restaurant and have pizzas?
Yes.
So today, if we make pizzas at home, how does that sound?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Let's get started with making of the dough. First, you have to take flour. Inside the flour, you have to make a well. So I'm adding the yeast. Sugar is the food of yeast. So I'm adding sugar with the yeast. Warm water. Now water should be just lukewarm, not hot. Very important. If the water is hot, it'll kill the eggs. It won't rise. Just mix inside the well. Gradually keep adding water to form a smooth dough. After this, I'll add some salt to taste. Put the entire dough down to knead it properly. This is the hand movement we normally follow. Just push it like this and bring it closer. So this needs a good knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. Looks very sticky, then gradually firms up and a nice smooth dough is formed. At this stage, I'll add some olive oil. If I'm making pizza dough, olive oil is a must. More oil. So this is a smooth elastic dough now formed. I'll pour some more olive oil into the bowl where I'm going to prove the dough. Gently place the dough inside and cover it up for 45 minutes to an hour till it is double the size. So after resting the dough for 45 minutes to an hour, I'll open and see how it looks. Yeah, see, look, it is grown big in size. It was this tiny, it is grown. That means the yeast inside has activated. So I'll take the dough out. Let me just work with the dough once more. I'm going to cut it into pieces. So take one portion and let me roll out, Ara. I have to cut it. You know how to cut it? Can you cut it for me?
Yes.
Yeah, take this cutter, hold it, hold this, and then press, 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 press. Yes. Now keep one of this. Look at this baby pizza dough. So we are going to place it. See, this will be one mini pizza. One more cut, cut, cut. Cutie, cutie mini pizzas are getting ready. I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Now this sauce is given down in the recipe below. Just follow the recipe link, you'll know how to make it. So now I'll add the tomato sauce, homemade special tomato sauce on the baby mini pizzas. Okay, Ara? Can you put some cheese on each of these pizzas? Wow! Little more cheese? Lots of cheese? You like cheese, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Mm-hmm.
Can you eat
You can eat it. You like cheese, don't you?
it? Can I try?
Okay, try some and see whether it's yummy or not.
Yummy.
Yummy? Yeah. And when it goes into the pizza, it will taste even yummier. You can put one basil leaf on each pizza, like this. So take one leaf and put it in this one. Yeah, looks so pretty, doesn't it? So each pizza, put one leaf. Perfect. Now these little yummylets are going to go in the oven and it is going to be baked. And once it's baked, what will happen? It will become yummy, yummy, yummy.
In my tummy.
Yummy, yummy. Okay, so guys, these bakes in a 180 degrees oven, preheated oven for 15 minutes. Ara, you want to taste the pizza? Taste the pizza. Shall I taste it too? Yummy. Did you like it? So we love the pizza. If you guys love it, please hit the subscribe button and like, comment and share. Goodbye from me, Ananya and Ara. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye.